We are ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Factorize 4am squared minus 6am. Now the first thing to do, in order to factorize this, we need to find the ACF. The ACF of 4am squared and 6am. Now, 4am squared and we have 6am. Let's use our table to get the ACF. Now in this case, what number will divide 4 and 6 without having any remainder? Apart from 1, we can use 2. So we use 2. If we use 2, what do we have? We have 2a. 2a m squared. Then what do we have also? We have 6 divided by 2. We have what? 3. 3am. Now, also, if we check here, okay, between 2 and 3 now is just 1. So we can move to the letters. Now, considering the letters, here we have am squared and we have am. So definitely a is common to both. And also we can see m here, we can also see m here. So m is also common to both. Now let's use this to divide to have the other result. Now, we have 2am squared. A we cancel a. M squared divided by m, what do we have? We have m. Now, but we still have 2 here, so it's going to be 2m. Don't forget that. Now, 3am, we have here 3am divided by am. Am we cancel am, so we have 3 left here. So we don't have any other thing that can go except 1. So in this case, it means that the ACF of what? Of 4am squared and 6am equals to what? 2 times am, which is what? 2am. This multiplied by this. So in this case, we cannot factorize. We're going to factorize, and how do we factorize? We have 4am squared, then minus 6am. To factorize, what do? You bring out the ACF first. The ACF is 2am. Then you use the ACF to divide each of the term. We have 4am squared. You divide by the ACF. Then minus the second term, which is minus 6am. We also need to divide by the ACF, which is 2am. Now, what do we have? 2am into bracket what? Now, looking at what we have here, a, we go with a. Then 4 divided by 2, what do you have? You have 2. M squared divided by m. M squared is same thing as m times m. So divide by m, one of the m will go. So you have 1m left. Then minus a, we also go with a. a1, ma1, ma1. So 6 divided by 2, what do we have? We have 3. So the answer is 2am into bracket 2m minus 3. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.